AI has taken the world by storm. You probably are familiar with ChatGPT, DeepSeek R1, or Anthropic's Claude. But there's also a subsection of open source AI models that you can run on your own computer. They won't quite be as performant as the top of the line chatbots, but running open source models gives you token freedom, uncensored output, and they're very fun to play with. Open source LLMs are an important contribution to the AI industry. Meta, the creators of Facebook, have contributed a lot to the open source community with their Llama AI model. Currently, Llama 3 is their latest model. Today, we'll download and run it on my computer. In order to run these AI models, you do need to have a dedicated graphics card and at least 4 gigabytes of VRAM. This is separate from your computer's RAM. It is video memory from the graphics card. My graphics card is an older NVIDIA RTX 2060 with 6 gigabytes of VRAM, demonstrating that even older hardware can run these new AI models. With all of that said, let's go ahead and download Ollama. Open up a web browser and visit ollama.com and download Ollama. Go ahead and run the installer and follow the instructions. Now, once you've installed Ollama, open your terminal and type Ollama. If you see a list of available commands, then it's installed correctly. Let's open up ollama.com once again. And we'll take a look at the different models that are available. And here's Llama 3.3, which is the latest build from Meta. You may notice that each model has a number of parameters associated with it. The higher the parameters, the smarter the model is, but also the more VRAM that your graphics card will need. A good rule of thumb is to treat this as the number of gigabytes of VRAM required. For Llama 3.3, you'll need around 70 gigabytes of VRAM to run it. This model is designed for server infrastructure, not for normal computer use. In that case, we'll need a model that's around 6 billion parameters or less. If you look at Llama 3.2, it has a much smaller 3 billion parameters and even 1 billion parameters. These smaller models are usually trying to do one thing well, but not everything. In the description, it says that Llama 3.2 excels at following instructions, summarization, prompt rewriting, and tool usage. Tools is a great feature of Ollama, which integrates with the Python programming language and allows you to build AI agents, which we'll discuss in a future video. Now, to use Llama 3.2, 3 billion parameters, we can just copy the command and paste it into our terminal. It will then automatically download the model and run it. That's it. Now, we can chat with Llama 3.2. Summarize the Bitcoin white paper in 3 sentences. Create a prompt for Midjourney that generates a beautiful painting in the style of Picasso. As you can see, this 3 billion parameter model runs very quickly on local hardware. Just be aware that because these models are much smaller than the ones provided by the big companies, your results may vary. Always double-check any sensitive work. Visit controlallexplain.com for more videos like this.